Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new. Today's video I think is part 4 of my Christmas clean and decorate with me. We're focusing on this new tree I bought from the at-home store and also getting some cleaning done. So I'm going to be giving you tons of motivation. I hope that you leave feeling inspired and in the holiday spirit. And if you do, definitely give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe if you're new. We would love to have you. Today, I'm also collaborating with my beautiful friend Reema. She's going to be sharing another Christmas decorate with me on her channel. She shares cleaning videos, organizing, and absolutely aesthetic, beautiful decorating videos. I just love her style and her color scheme, and I'm so obsessed with all her videos. I know that you will love them and you will love her. So I'll be sure to link her channel and her video down in the description box so you can check it out. Okay, so let's jump right in. The first thing that we're doing is we're going to be assembling this Christmas tree. Like I said, I got it from the at-home store. It's a 7.5 foot slim tree. I thought it would be perfect for this spot because it isn't too bulky. It's the first time I've decorated a slim tree, so it was a little different than what I was used to doing, and I used these smaller ornaments that I also found at the at-home store, and I also had some extra ones that I bought this year at Target. I also still use the silver and the gold theme, but I added some blue and I used a silver ribbon this time instead of the gold that's on the tree that's in my family room. It was incredibly easy to put together and really reasonably priced. And like I mentioned in my previous video, we do have a flocked style Christmas tree in the family room, and I am just in love with them, and I am just in love with the look of them. They are kind of messy, but I don't mind it, honestly. I think it's just so pretty lit up at night, and it feels like a winter wonderland, so it's totally worth it in my opinion. This one, it looks like it has some light flocking. It's a cashmere tree, but it's really light, so it's not overwhelming with mess or anything. And again, this is a pre-lit tree. It's easy to put together. It comes in 3 parts. I'll try to find it and link it down below for you if you're in the market for a slim tree. So in order to start decorating, I did have this silver ribbon, and if you remember in my other tree, I have the same one but in gold. And I wanted to do the silver ribbon here because number one, I had it and I really like the texture of it. It's easy to move around and manipulate. So I'm going to go ahead and put the ribbon on this tree first. I wanted to do kind of like what I did before in my other tree. And if you haven't seen that video, go back and check that out because the ribbon here does look different. So I'm going to first put on the ribbon, and I'll show you in a second how I do that. And then I'll do the ornaments and I'll explain everything as I go. But for my theme this year, I went with kind of traditional colors, but I added a lot more of the white, gold, and silver, and just a little bit of silver, not an over amount of silver. Then I also found these beautiful light blue iridescent ornaments from the at-home store, and it's just so pretty when they're lit up at night in contrast with the light. And for the ribbon, I like to cut, because this is a slim tree, I cut them into strips. That way I could easily tuck them in between the branches and move them around. And so I wrap it, I do a little bit of a twist and a tuck, and then I take another piece and I wrap it and do a twist and a tuck. So it kind of looks like it's weaved, but not really coming in and out of the tree. It just kind of looks wrapped with ribbon, if that makes sense. But I know some people like a really thick ribbon. I just didn't feel it would look right for this slimmer tree. So when I go to hang the ornaments, the way I like to do it is I go with same color ornaments starting from top to bottom in a zigzag style. So, and those will be all the same color. So kind of a zigzag from side to side to side to side, and then I alternate that with the different colors. If you have bigger ornaments, you can put those in the lower half of the tree and then just use the smaller ones for the top. I have smaller ornaments because it's just a thinner tree. So here I am just going to be adding more of the gold and the silver and all the different colors and textures. I love these shiny ones that I have. I also love the matte style as well. And I did decorate the back of the tree because the back of the tree will show out of the window in the evening. So I had to make sure that I was putting the ornaments proportionately in the front and the back of the tree.
Ooh, yeah, that's what we do. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling.
And I feel like the stores this year really just have beautiful ornaments. When I went to Walmart, I did a Walmart shop with me. They were just rows and rows and rows and styles of ornaments. And then At Home also had a ton. Home Goods has gorgeous ornaments as well if you want a few accent pieces. But Target had some really beautiful ones. I mean, I just feel like all the stores are really stepping up as far as the ornament go. They're just so beautiful and so many to choose from. It's really hard to pin down a color and a theme. But like I said, this year I'm going to do, like, I'm doing the golds and the silvers and the whites, the iridescence, that tone. But who knows, I think next year I'm going to kind of change it up a little bit. Maybe add some, like, a really dark green, or I don't know, maybe I'll do a silver and blue theme tree. Something fun and something different.
Whoa, oh, oh. Da, 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 oh, oh. Da, 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 da.
Let me know in the comments what style you're going with this year for your Christmas trees. I would really love to know. And if you have Instagram, tag me on a picture of your tree. It's at Reema at home. I would love to actually see photos of your Christmas decor and your Christmas tree. Comment below and let me know what style decor you're doing this year.
It's my favorite holiday. It's a chance to start over new. 'Cause I missed you, so I'm letting go of.
The one thing I did not end up really getting for this slim tree are picks, and I might go back and find some that will match. I feel like it really just helps the tree look a little bit more formal, and since this tree is in the dining room, I think some picks in the tree would really make it so pretty and kind of more formal. So I might go back and do some digging around at the stores for just a few of really cute picks to put in the tree.
Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, oh. La, da, 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 oh, oh, oh. La, da, 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 oh, oh. La, da, da, da. Making our Christmas memories. I've been wrapping presents for.
And now I'm adding this beautiful tree skirt. I actually got this at Walmart. This was maybe right when they started putting out their Christmas decor, and I love that it's kind of fluffy. It's like a sweater material. It's cream, and then on the edge it has the fur, and I just think it's so beautiful. On the other tree, we ended up using kind of a basket style base, but for this one, I just really wanted to use this new tree skirt that I bought, and I really love it.
Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire and chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, and I've been longing to hold you.
So now we're gonna move into the kids' bath, and I really wanted to do something special for them this year. I don't typically decorate for Christmas in the bathrooms other than changing up the hand soaps and sometimes the hand towels. But this year I really wanted to do something different. And so most everything in here is from the At Home store. And the star of the show is going to be this gingerbread house that I saw and had to have. I think it's just beautiful. There's actually a larger one that it was out of stock in my area and I couldn't get it shipped to me. So this is the one size down, but I just love it. It's beautiful. It lights up. I just have to put the batteries in, but I think it's gorgeous here in between the sinks. But before we get to decorating, I really needed to give this bathroom a deep clean. And so here's your cleaning motivation before we decorate.
Still got your pearls hanging by my bedside. Still got your lips on paper in a trash now. I never knew love could be so sweet. I never knew it would sting. I never knew love like this would leave me in pieces. Oh, Emily, when did you fall right out of love? Oh, Emily, when did the magic stop for us? Oh, but Emily, you are the part of me I feel. It will kill me when you leave and close my door. Oh, Emily. I can't believe it's already over.
So now that the bathroom is all clean, we're going to go ahead and put in all of our Christmas decor. And this is the gingerbread house that I found at the at-home store. It does have a battery section, but I just haven't put the batteries in, but it does light up. And it is so cute. I thought that the kids would just love this in the bathroom. I also found these hand towels that were adorable. They have little candy canes on them from the at-home store, but I wish I bought 2 of them instead of 1 pack. So I might have to go back and grab another pack. And I'm just putting out some soaps. These are vanilla cupcake scented hand soaps. These are from Home Goods. And these are the towels that I was talking about, but they are just so cute here in the kids' bathroom. But like I said, I wish I bought 2 packs. But here it is. I'll show it to you in a second, and they're just adorable. And to go with the same look and the same theme, I also picked up 2 new floor mats for them that matches everything. So we have the candy house, and we have the candy canes on the towels, and then the candy striped floor mats, and it's just adorable. I wish my bathroom looked like this. And here's some shots of how the bathroom turned out. My husband and I did end up putting garland up over the light fixture, so I'll put a couple shots of those in as well. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. I hope that you enjoyed it. I appreciate you so much for being here. Definitely give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and subscribe if you're new. Make sure you check out Lorena's video. I'm sure she's going to be offering you something incredible, so make sure you head over there. Say hi and let her know that I sent you. Also, leave me a comment below. Let me know if you want to see some more Christmas decor videos or you want to see something else. I just would really love to hear from you and know exactly what it is that you'd like to see. Alright guys, I'll see you here in a few days. Much love and take care of yourselves. Bye!
Hold up, I am on my way, I'm in motion. Let's go to the ocean. Yeah, let's go outside. We can hang out on the beach without freezing. Yeah, isn't that amazing? In Christmas times, we'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand, you ready? Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart. And I can promise Santa's coming